Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's IELTS analysis class, where I'll be looking at sentences for problems and solutions essays. So today we're focusing on writing, and as a result of that, it would be very useful if those watching the class were to submit some ideas that they had of their own in relation to writing sentences in problems and solutions essays. So do let me know if you are watching live today. Say hi in the chat as usual. And if you do have any sentences that you would like to share, then please share them. Let us begin then by having a look at the task. And we can see this as I bring it up just now. So here is the task. Make it a bit bigger. We can see that we should be writing down solutions to each of these problems. So we've got a couple of examples talking about water shortages. We can see that one of the solutions was this problem could be tackled by people using less water at home. And another solution is for the government to repair old water pipes. So when writing solutions, there's a particular structure that we can use in order to ensure that we are using correct grammar and vocabulary. And we can see that in these two examples, we have the beginning of the sentence, this problem could be tackled by. So we can use that set structure within any problems and solutions essay. And another solution is. So we've got these two structures that we can use at the beginning of our solution sentences. So for those watching, and hi Alice, great to see you. Can you make any other suggestions in terms of how we can begin our solution sentences? Okay, so hopefully, Alice, you can see clearly the two beginnings of the sentences. This problem could be tackled by, another solution is. For the original box, that was the example from the IELTS group, which is an image. I can make it, let me just do a full screen. Just one moment. This is where I show my limitations when it comes to technology. I want full screen. I'll just zoom in. Okay, so let's see. Oh, no, it's the wrong way. Okay, so that certainly makes it a bit bigger for you. So there you go. So just so you can see the top bit there, just in case any of it was not clear, this is what we have, the two example sentences, and we've got just underneath it the beginnings of those sentences, which we can use, we can repeat when we are writing our solutions sentences. Okay, so Alice, you've got a sentence here. The government can harvest water during the rainy season and store for use in dry seasons. Very nice. Okay, so the beginning of your sentence there is the government can. That's great. Just to make it really clear to the reader that you are focusing on solutions, you can use language such as this. So to solve this problem, the government should, and then you could use that idea that you've got, Alice, which is a really good idea. And this is referring to water shortages still. But to solve this problem, the government should harvest water during the rainy season and store it for use during the dry season. Okay, so that's a really good solution. Let's have a look at another topic now. So the next one was violent crime in cities. So we've got 3 ways of starting our sentence now. Let's just underline them. We've got this problem could be tackled by, another solution is, to solve this problem. So we could use one of these, or we could use something different. Let's use something a little bit different. We could say, so violent crime in cities, this issue could be addressed by using more CCTV cameras in outdoor spaces. So CCTV cameras just refers to surveillance cameras, cameras which we can use to watch what is happening outside on the streets. So that will be another way of starting our solutions sentences. Okay. In outdoor spaces rather than in the outdoor spaces, sorry. Yeah, so yeah, this issue could be addressed by using more CCTV cameras in outdoor spaces. And let's have a look at number 3, traffic congestion. What can we do about traffic congestion? Well, we've got 4 ways now of starting our solution sentence. Let's go with this problem could be tackled by. Let's use this for traffic congestion. So if I complete this here, I'll just add it here. So that the issue of traffic congestion could be tackled by restricting the number of days per week that commuters are able to use their cars. Okay. So that would be a way of solving the problem of traffic congestion. That's one potential solution to that problem. So again, we can keep on using these beginnings to the sentences in order to add our ideas. So let's add one more idea. Zia, hello. Great to see you in the class as always. So we've got one more idea. So we've got another solution is, so let's stick with traffic congestion. So this problem could be tackled by restricting the number of days per week that commuters are able to use their cars. Another solution is to make public transport more available to commuters. Okay. So yeah, making public transport more available. Maybe this means increasing the number of buses. Maybe this means reducing the price of public transport, for example. But the point is that we can use the beginning of this sentence, another solution is, and then we can complete our idea using this structure. So when writing your problems and solutions essays, bear in mind the beginnings to these sentences. You can reuse them. It's a good way to vary your language, so you're not always saying to solve this problem, to solve this problem. You've got a variety of ways that you can write about problems and solutions. We've got 4 here, we've got the 4th one just at the bottom. So bear that in mind in your writing so that you can write accurately and also have variety in your grammar and vocabulary. So I hope you have found this useful. I will speak to you again in the next IELTS analysis video. Until then, take care.